Are you wondering if right now is the time to invest in real estate? Well, I'm Mike Morawski, and I want to personally invite you to join me for my Multifamily Acquisitions Bootcamp. This full-day virtual event on June 23rd starts at 9 a.m. Central, where you're going to discover how to buy an apartment building in 90 days or less, even with no experience. I'm going to give you the tools to break through your limiting beliefs and develop the confidence and mindset you need to succeed. I'm going to give you the exact strategies I use to purchase 4,000 apartment units in 30 months and build a property management company managing 7,500 doors. Registering for this live virtual multifamily bootcamp, this one-day event, will provide you a step-by-step guide to generate consistent cash flow and grow your long-term wealth. And like I said, even if you don't have any experience, you're going to leave this multifamily bootcamp knowing how to gain the mindset to buy an apartment building in the next 90 days, to create a 90-day action plan to execute on, how to build relationships and strategic partnerships to structure syndications, learn the scripts to talk to sellers when purchasing properties, how to source on and off market deals, how to analyze property, and how to raise private equity, and of course, a lot of networking. So go register right now at mycoreintentions.com/acquisitions, and I'll see you at this bootcamp.